Just a spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down. Sweet Mary Jane, won't you lay me down?
Hello folks, here we are in Latvia, Tegums, my home GP. I'm super happy to be here and fit and ready to race. Yeah, this is my home track, and I love this because it's always good for me. And yeah, it's now it's hot, but hopefully for a weekend it will be a little bit less. And yeah, I hope for good GP and good points, fight with top guys, and for awesome weekend. Just back from technical control, bike's ready. Now track walk and see how's it with the track.
Lost my heart in California. I lost my mind. Shot me down with a revolver. She got me high.
Just did a track walk, and yeah, the track's awesome. I love this track. It's a little bit sandy, a lot of jumps where I can whip and scrub, many passing lines, and so as you know in GPs it's always bumpy, and it's really hard to ride, but I think I can handle my bike and be in the top 20 and fight for good points.
So we're here in Latvia, in Tegums, and this is a home GP of Robert and August Just. And Robert is very determined to have a good result this weekend. Last weekend were pretty good, but a little bit unlucky and didn't make top 20. But he's very willing to have a good ride here, and I think he's doing good because he loves his track, and he feels pretty good on the bike. And this week was also good training, and his race bike is better now, and hopefully have good starts and get a good result. So August is also ready for this weekend in Tegums. Last week he had little problems with physical. The last race he had to turn out at DNF, but the speed was okay, and he just came back from his back injury, and hopefully this week is way better for the weekend. And he felt much better on the bike. He didn't feel this pain or no tired, and the progress in this week was pretty good. So I think this weekend is going to be a good weekend for him because he loves his track and his home GP, and he always wants to do good. And I think it's going to be happen.
This year I think I'm gonna stay calm and just enjoy the race and No goals, no nothing, just to get some fun.
For my theme song, my leather black jeans on, my by any means on, part and I'm getting my scream on, into the kingdom, but watch it you bring home. You see a black man with a white woman at the top floor, they gon' come to kill King Kong. Middle America packed in, came to see me in my black skin. Number one question they asking, fuck every question you asking. If I don't get ran at by Catholics, it comes to conservative Baptists, claiming I'm overreacting like the black kids in Chirac, bitch. 4 in the morning, and I'm zoning, they say I'm possessed. It's the omen, I keep it 300, like the Romans, 300 bitches, where the Trojans.
So the first moto is finished. Had a really good start. I was top 10 and I was pushing hard the first few laps. I was tired after a few laps, but still was riding good in top 50. And some 10 minutes before the finish, I crashed because of touching Jonathan Barragan, and then many guys passed me, and in the end I was 21, so not so good for me, but hopefully the second moto will be better. Hope to be top 20 second moto.
Stop all that coon shit, early morning cartoon shit. This is that goon shit, fuck up your whole afternoon shit. I'm aware I'm a wolf, soon as the moon hit, I'm aware I'm a king. Back out the tomb, bitch, back out the room, bitch. Stop all that coon shit, these niggas ain't doing shit, them niggas ain't doing shit.
The first moto was bad because of crash, but the second moto I just ride my own race and was holding my speed and in the end 18, and that's quite good for the overall, and I'm happy about this. I want to thanks to my team, they are supporting always me, and yeah, without them it wouldn't be possible. Second moto start was really bad, like I was 25, I think I was 24. And then in first laps I got a good speed, like much better than first moto, and then I got till 16 and then just made one mistake, a little bit twisted my arm, and later on couldn't get speed anymore, and yeah, finished 21st. I think result could be better, but speed is there, and I think it's good for next races, and hope to be top 15 like in the future.
Let's go.
track was rough and really hot, and the fans was going crazy to support me, and so I can't give up, so that I avoid the race, and then really good for the overall, and thanks to everybody who watched this video, and see you.